Welcome to my channel. In this episode, we will solve thermodynamic problem. Today's problem is two samples A and B of same gas have equal volumes and pressure. The gas in sample A is expanded isothermally to double its volume, and the gas in sample B is expanded double to its volume adiabatically. This is very important. Two different process. One is adiabatic, another is isothermal. That is very important statement. And if the work done by the gas in is same in the two process, one is adiabatic and isothermal, find out the equation satisfied by gamma, which is adiabatic exponent. Now, first, in order to solve this, let us consider P0 is the initial pressure of both the gases and V0 is the initial volume of both the gases, and N1 be the number of moles of gas A gas and N2 number of moles of gas B. These are our assumptions or considerations rather. A gas is expanded isothermally from V0 to V0. It is given from the question. Therefore, the work done, isothermal work done, W1 equals to nRT1 log V2 by V1, that is 2V0 by V0 is standard textbook formula. N1 RT1, this is log 2, where T1 is the temperature of the gas A. Now, T2 be the temperature of the gas B before the adiabatic expansion. Pressure and volume in each sample are same initially. So, P0 V0 equals to N1 RT1 and P0 V0 that is equals to N2 RT2. That implies N1 T1 that is equals to N2 T2. This may be equation number 1. It will be used later on. After adiabatic expansion, the gas B attains the temperature TB and pressure PB. Therefore, if we use the ideal gas, here we assumed everything is ideal gas. So, P0 V0 equals to N2 RT2 and PB 2 V0 because is expanded twice N2 RT3. Okay. Now, work done by the gas in adiabatic case, standard textbook formula, W2 is P0 V0 minus PB 2 V0 divided by gamma minus 1. So, P0 V0 is N2 R T2 minus N2 R TB. This is basically TB. Do you have confusion? Then it's TB. And it is an adiabatic process. Therefore, P V to the power gamma equals some constant, or T V to, or T V to the power gamma minus 1 is some constant, say C2. I use this in this problem. So, T2 V0 gamma minus 1, TB 2 V0 gamma minus 1. Therefore, TB is given by this expression, and if we put that value here in this work done expression, then N2R T2 is common, N2R T2, this thing is common, 1 minus 2 to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma minus 1. I used TB here. The value of TB is inserted here or substituted here. And now, after simple algebra, N2 T2 basically given by equation 1 N1 T1, using equation equation 1, we get this thing, and after simplification, that means that there is a main thing, the work done in both the cases same, W1 equals to W2, and after substituting, equating these two things, we will get simple algebra. After simple algebra, log 2 equals to 1 minus 2 to the power 1 minus gamma divided by gamma minus 1. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, doubt, you can comment and you can request problems in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.